most famous physical therapist on the internet.
So Brad, you're going to show us a better way to strengthen our core.
Bob, exactly. You know, planks, people bragged about them, and I've always been consistent on I do not like planks. I've got spondylolisthesis, and my core strength is absolutely vital to keep myself moving without pain.
All right.
So I'm going to show you an option, and I guarantee you, you're going to like this more than planks, because planks are kind of boring.
Right.
They're static. That's just an isometric. They're not near as functional as what we're going to show you. Basically, it's a plank with movement. So are you ready?
Ready.
Okay,
Let's
here
go.
we go. Now the goal is 3 sets of 10 of each of these. We're not going to do that here. We're going to go 1 set of 10, or we might be talking about it. If you want to just do time and do 30 seconds for each of them, that's an option as well. Let's start out.
I'll do the beginner version.
Right, so you need something solid. I wouldn't recommend this at home if you got a cupboard or a nice solid handrail.
Maybe a back of a couch.
Yeah, if it won't slide away.
Right. Right.
Something solid. And Bob's got a nice straight body position there. Can you see me down here, Tanner? And, you know, this is where you want to get to eventually, possibly, you know, or you can continue doing them at that level, whatever works for you. And we're going to start out with good posture. I'm going to tighten up my core. And we're going to do these slowly, knee up, and just do straight mountain climbers, a lot of people call these. And I have just found that doing this routine we're doing works my core really well, much better than planks in my opinion.
Well, this really is high intensity interval training, isn't it, Brad?
Right. And people will say, what are you doing? You're going so slow. I'll show you in about 3 minutes how to do this if you think this is too easy, and I guarantee you it will not be too easy. Now we're going to do the spider crawl. I don't know, other people may call them other things, but one knee goes out to the side, and it works different muscle fibers in your core, and you can tell by Bob's grunting a little bit too.
Yeah. Brad's working harder than I am.
Yeah, it's definitely a little more challenging down here. Okay, now the next one, Bob is going to do scissors kicks like that. Now down here I can do the same thing.
Just don't lift both legs at the same time.
I tried that already, Bob.
Good for you.
Now, the other thing I like to do at this one, either do this one or I'll do the arch the back and go back up. And that works the core all together. It's your option. I would try both of them.
Hurts your back, don't do it.
Exactly.
It should all feel good. It hurts so good.
Yeah, you should only feel muscles burning after a little while. Okay, the next one is out to the side like this. Keep that core tight and strong. Now, if you want to, the option for this one is to go with both of them. It's quite a bit harder. Don't try it if you don't feel comfortable. Okay? All right. Good.
Awesome.
Now, I said if you want to speed this up and you really need more of a challenge, you can certainly do that. I turn some music on at home with a good beat, and I'll do it just like this. Spider-Man, hip abduction, bounce up like this, which is a good burn. And then this one, you get the leg up there.
You look like a Russian dancer.
If you do this to the beat, it really, and then I like this one.
Wow.
So you get moving here. This one is really hard for me to do.
You believe this guy is 58, right?
59.
59.
I'm going to be 60. I'm going to do that.
Oh, God.
So if you don't get a burn with that, and a functional burn, my back doesn't bother me when I do these. And I know it's good for it, so I'm happy and grateful.
Thanks for sharing, Brad.
Oh, see, you would never get that.
Good.
You'd never get that doing the plank,
Yeah,
Bob.
that's right. That's right.
My back would hurt, and I'd say, oh.
And I won't be out of breath.
Be careful.